one of the things that you want to start with, so when you're creating YouTube videos, there's a couple key things that you want to understand, and that is that the best types of videos to create are the videos that people are searching for. So all of us are familiar with YouTube. You go over to YouTube and you do a search. You're looking for something like how to set up a Facebook ad, okay? So what's going to happen is when you do that search, you're going to find that what happens here is you're going to pull up a whole bunch of videos. And what this is the search term or the keyword that people are typing to find your videos or find videos. Now, I know I'm speaking to the choir here, but here's the interesting part. Our goal is to create videos based upon things that people are actually searching for. All right, now I'm going to show you a couple free tools tonight that you can use in order to do what we call keyword research. So I'm going to give you a little bit of keyword research here so that we can create a list of videos that we want to create based upon what is things that people are actually searching for. So if you come in here and you see how to set up a Facebook ad, you can see that these videos, check this out, some of these have 202,000 views, 606,000 views, 46,000 views, 24,000 views. You can see that these videos have quite a bit of traffic to them. And so the thing is how would you like to tap into some of that? You know, how would you love to tap into some of that? You know, let me give you an example. One of the key things that I was running a test just really to kind of see and test some ranking factors. Okay, now let me go ahead and pull open a new incognito window, and I want you to bear with me. Okay, I'm going to be going pretty fast tonight because I've got a lot of info to cover, and if some of this goes over your head, I apologize, but I'm going to really dive deep. I really want to give you solid content tonight that you can take and really put to work in your business. And you can go back and watch the replay of this inside of MLSP if you don't get all of it, but I'm going to move quickly because I want to give you some good stuff, okay? So if I go to YouTube here, and I'm using this incognito window because I don't want to be signed in, because I want to show you that these results are actually pretty real. So I wanted to do a little test a couple months ago and test out some ranking factors. I wanted to see how things work, and I decided that what I was going to do was I was going to do a video on MLSP, and I was going to do an MLSP review video. So if you go to YouTube and you type in MLSP, look who's #1 for the keyword MLSP. Now, it's me right here. And what was interesting about this is that, you know, and it may be a little different depending upon where you are. If you look at this, there are 31,700 results on YouTube for the keyword MLSP. Now, if you type in MLSP review, I'm also, for right now, I'm #2. Okay, now if you go ahead and type in My Lead System Pro, you'll see that I'm right here, I'm #3. And if you type in My Lead System Pro review, I'm #2. So what happens is for all these major keywords for My Lead System Pro, I'm kind of hanging out right here at the top. Now, what's really interesting about this is that I put up this video about 4 months ago, and this video has really been in this spot for quite a while now. And it's been a pretty cool thing to see that ranked there. And this is not exactly an easy keyword to rank for. I'm just going to be honest with you. 421,000 results with the keyword My Lead System Pro in it, okay? And but what I'm going to share with you, I think, is really key to helping you understand just how effective what I'm going to share with you is and what it means. So we start out with keyword research. How do we find out what people are searching for? So let's go ahead and give you an example. So let's say we're going to type in MLM leads. Okay, now MLM leads is a keyword, obviously. And what we're going to know is we're going to see some of the videos here, and we see a lot of the videos that are listed. And if you'll notice right up here, there is this little thing, this little search box for me, okay? And this little search box here shows the approximate searches per month. Now, one of the things that I used to teach was how to use the Google Keyword Planner, which was part of a Google AdWords account, where you could go in and you could search different search terms that people typed into the search engines to get the keyword search results. Okay. Now, Google has made it very difficult to do that nowadays. You actually have to set up an ad before you can even get in there. And it's been really kind of a pain in the butt to use that anymore. So what happened was I actually came across this really cool little browser extension, and it's called Keywords Everywhere. So you're going to want to write that down, and you're going to want to install this little browser extension on your browser. And essentially what this does, so if you install it for Chrome or Firefox, you sign up. Okay, you click this, and then you fill out an account, you add it to it, and then you fill out an account, and they'll send you a API key, and you input your API key into it. It's very easy to set up, and what it does is now when you search on YouTube or you go to Google, okay, and you search on Google, let's just type in the same thing, MLM leads, you're going to see that you're going to get these search results. This little thing will pop up underneath your search bar, and it tells you right here that this particular keyword gets 1,600 searches a month. Now that is really, really cool, okay? Because now you don't have to log into the keyword planner to get that same information, okay? And it's a real pain in the butt to do, but Keywords Everywhere, this is the coolest extension there is. But our goal is to find keywords that are getting searches every single month and create videos centered around them. Now what's cool is, look at this. If I type in MLM leads here, if I scroll down to the very bottom of the search results, look at this. Search related terms. These are other terms that Google deems are similar to the keyword you put. But check this out. The extension adds on the search volume for these different ones here. So check this out. MLM lead generation gets 320 searches a month. And that is awesome. So what's cool is you can do this and build up a keyword list. Keyword research is faster than ever now with this browser extension. You see, the reason we do this, and I want to reiterate to you that are new and you've never used YouTube before, is you want to know what people are searching for and create content around that to show up in search. So one of the cool things that you can do is, let me show you this real quick. When you install this browser extension, you're going to see right up here, and I'm trying to zoom in for you a little bit, and it's going to give you this right here. This is what'll be on your browser, but this is the Keywords Everywhere, okay? And I'm going to pull this open, and what you're going to see here is a thing called My Favorite Keywords, and it's going to open up a new tab. Now, as you can see right now, this is all empty, okay? But here's what happens when you come back to the search results here, all right? If you notice, when you get this, you're going to have a little star right here, okay? And this is what you can do when you say, okay, 1,600 searches a month, that's a good keyword. I'm going to click that star, and you see that? And then I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to say, you know what? All these are good keywords. I like that. I'm going to do targeted MLM leads, local MLM leads, free MLM leads. Awesome. I'm going to do MLM lead generation. So I clicked this little star, and then guess what? I'm going to go over here to that free list. I'm just going to refresh it. And look what happens. It's creating a list for me of the keywords that I want to create videos around. So keyword research is insanely simple nowadays with this tool. It's not complicated. It's actually really, really easy. So what I can do is, let's go back here and let's just type in a couple terms. So let's say network marketing. Let's just do network marketing. Okay, and let's see what we get. Now check this out. If you look real close, you know the suggested searches? Look at this. It gives you the search right in here. How do you like that? Look at this. Network marketing tips, 1,600 searches, 16. This browser extension is awesome, okay? So what I can do is I can make a quick determination. Well, I like this one, network marketing companies. It gets 1,600 searches a month. So now what I can do is click that little star. Let's scroll down to the bottom here and see what we got. Top 100 network marketing companies. Let's hit that star. New network marketing companies. Let's hit that star. 880 searches. We've got network marketing companies owned by Warren Buffett. 170. Let's click that star. Best MLM companies to join. 880 searches. Let's click that one. Fastest growing MLM companies. Hit that star. 1,900. And fastest growing network marketing companies 2015. Probably leave that alone. Or you could put 2018. And that would be, that could be key as well. So once we've done that, let's go back over to our list and check it out. We've grown our list. So right now we have 11 entries. Let's do this. Let's go back. Let's type in another one. So why don't we just say MLM? Okay, we've got a whole bunch of other ones. MLM companies, MLM marketing companies, MLM business. So let's type in MLM business. So we've got 6,600. Let's just star that. Let's scroll down. And let's grab a couple more. We got worst MLM marketing companies, okay? We'll do that one. Multi-level marketing companies list. Fastest growing MLM companies. Multi-level marketing tips, 480. MLM business plan. We've got that, boom. All right, so let's go back over here and we refresh our list. Look at this. In what, about maybe 3 minutes, we've created 16 topics that we can create videos around. Now, I don't know about you, but that's about the fastest keyword research you could ever do, okay? I've done this before and I did it the old way, and it's a little bit more tedious. This browser extension makes it really, really awesome. So when you're ready and you want to print it, all you do is you click print or PDF, and you can turn it into a PDF here. Let me just show you here, and then we'll open it up and check it out. Now you have your list, you print it off, and there you go. You're ready to go. You have your topics for the next month of videos that you want to create.